this project, I'm going to show you how to crochet a heart. I'm going to use two different yarns, two different color of yarns, and with 3.5 millimeter hook and scissors. So to begin, choose your yarn and choose your color, and let's get started with the red yarn, or start with the selected color of yarn for you. So to begin, we're going to make a magic circle. So this is the end of my yarn, and I'm going to make it like this. So just like this. Not so much left here in this area here, and now I will grab that yarn and pull, and it should be adjustable like this, and then you can pull it also, so very easy. So now I'm going to yarn over and pull through to make the little circle here. That is our magic circle now. So now I'm going to make a chain of 3. So yarn over and pull through. That's my first chain. 2 more, 2 and 3. So I have chain 3 in total. And now in the circle, we're going to make 1 double crochet. So like this, yarn over, insert your hook in the circle. This one, just to show you clearly, insert your hook there, yarn over and pull. You have 3 loops in your hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. You have 2 loops left in your hook, yarn over and pull through the rest of the loops in your hook. And this is our double crochet. So chain 3 considered as first double crochet, and then this is our second double crochet. And now I'm going to make 2 more double crochet in the same circle. Yarn over, insert your hook in the same circle. So we're always working in the circle here in round 1. Pull through 2 loops 2 times. 1, yarn over, insert your hook in the same stitch, yarn over and pull. 3 loops in your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So I have here 4 double crochet in total. So count your number of double crochet. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 double crochet in total, and this is your work should look like by now. So now I'm going to make 4 half double crochet in the same circle. 4 half double crochet like this, yarn over, insert your hook in the same circle. As you can see here, the same, always in the same circle, yarn over and pull. You have 3 loops in your hook, yarn over, pull through the rest, all that loops in the hook. That is our first double crochet, and then we're going to make 3 more double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook in the same circle here, yarn over and grab that yarn, 3 loops in your hook, yarn over, pull through all that loops in your hook. That is our second half double crochet. 2 more. So first, yarn over, insert your hook in the same circle, yarn over and pull, yarn over, pull through all that loops in your hook. Last one, yarn over, insert your hook in the same circle, yarn over and pull, 3 loops in your hook, yarn over and pull through all that loops in your hook. So count your number of stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4. Your work should look like this by now. 4 double crochet, including the chain 3 here, and 4 half double crochet after that in the same circle. So now we are going to make chain 2. So 1 and 2, and now we're going to make 1 double crochet in the same circle. So yarn over, insert your hook in the same circle, yarn over and pull, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and that is the tip of our hearts, as you can see here. So you can see this is already forming like a half of the heart. So now not chain, but now we're going to make a slip stitch. A slip stitch will be like this. Insert your hook in any stitch of this double crochet. So I will insert my hook here first. Insert your hook there in this one, like that. As you can see, I just insert my hook anywhere close to the yarn. Yarn over and pull through all the loops in your hook, just like that, and then go one more, repeating what we did here. One more slip stitch. Insert your hook here, anywhere there, anywhere but there. Yarn over and pull through. That is our second slip stitch. So now we're going to make 4 half double crochet in the same circle. So yarn over, insert your hook in the same circle, yarn over and pull 3 loops in your hook, yarn over, pull through all the loops. 1, 2, 3, grab that yarn, pull 3 loops in your hook, yarn over, pull through all that loops in your hook. So I have here 3, so one more time, yarn over, insert your hook in the same circle, yarn over and pull, yarn over, pull through all that loops in your hook. That is my last half double crochet, and now I'm going to make 3 double crochet in the same circle. Yarn over, insert your hook in the same circle, yarn over and pull 3 loops in your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's our first double crochet in the side. Yarn over, insert your hook in the same stitch, yarn over and pull 3 loops in your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So 2 more. Now we're going to make 2 more double crochet in the same circle. So insert your hook, grab that yarn, 3 loops in your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And here count the number of double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and after that we have 4 half double crochet. Just to show you clearly, this is where we make our slip stitch, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 half double crochet in the side, and then 3 double crochet after that in the same circle, and then we're going to make chain 3. So 1, 2, and last one, 3. Now insert your hook in the same circle. We're going to make a slip stitch. Yarn over, grab that yarn like that, and pull through in that loop in your hook. Just to show you clearly, like this. Oops, sorry for that. Again, pull through in that loop in the hook. And there you go, you have your heart. So now chain 1. We're going to close this. Chain 1, pull tight and cut the yarn like that, and then here, as you can see, pull that yarn there, pull and pull, and there you go, we have our heart. Perfect heart. I love it. Now we're going to secure this stitch here, this one and this one. I will just make a few knots. So just like this, very easy, just how you make a few knots, like that. I'm sure you know how to make a slip knot or a knot. And then cut the rest of that yarn. So here in the same circle, this one in the middle, insert your hook like that. Make a slip knot like this. Insert your hook under the yarn, twist it 180 degree, yarn over and pull through. Pull and pull that index finger. And then pull. Grab that yarn through that stitch. And then chain one, yarn over and pull a little bit tighter. So there you go, this is now connected. Now insert your hook in the first chain. This one, this is our first chain. You remember where we begin, we made a chain 3, so insert your hook in the first chain. So for me here, I will insert my hook. This is my first chain, like that, and then yarn over and grab that yarn and grab that yarn again through that loop in the hook. I'm making a slip stitch. So I will repeat that way all the way around in each of the stitch. So go to the next chain here and repeat. Grab that yarn and pull through that loop in the hook. And then one more, insert your hook in the next chain, because we have 3 chain in the beginning, so we should have 3. So yarn over and pull through. So I am just repeating now. And then here, go to the next stitch, just in the normal stitch, like that. This is my next stitch. Yarn over and pull through. And go to the next stitch, yarn over and pull through. This is your work should look like. It's so cute. And then we're going to repeat that all the way around. Go to the next stitch, yarn over and pull through. Go to the next stitch, yarn over and grab that yarn and pull through. Go to the next, yarn over and pull through. Go to the next, yarn over and pull through. So repeat that in each of the stitch. So it's very easy. So in your chain 2, just go through on the top of the stitch. Here, so you can see, not here, but here on the top. Here, this one. This one. And pull through. Go to the next stitch. Here, I will insert my hook there. Yarn over and pull through. Go to the next stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Go to the next, yarn over and pull through. It's very easy. Go to the next, yarn over and pull through. Go to the next, yarn over and pull through. Go to the next, grab that yarn and pull through. Go to the next, grab that yarn, pull through. Go to the next, grab that yarn and pull through. Go to the next, grab that yarn and pull through. It's very easy to make. And then go to the next. Here we should have chain 3 here as well. So now I'm back in chain 3, so I have 3 chain here, 1, 2, and 3. So go per chain, and we'll just go through in the normal stitch. Go to the next. Here, this one, this is our next. Grab that, yarn over and pull through, and go to the last chain, yarn over and pull through. Now I'm going to insert my hook here in the circle and yarn over and pull through. Always a slip stitch. Yarn over and pull through, pull tight, and cut the yarn. So now I'm going to make a few knots, just like this. 1 and 2 and 1 more, like that. Cut the rest of that yarn. Cut the rest of that yarn. This is the other side, and this is the other side. It's so cute. You can make a lot of different colors. So this is for this video. Thanks, bye.